Hello YouTube, Zach the Phoenix Knight here, and yeah, it's high time I broke a much needed hiatus because I don't know. I don't really do this for anything. It's just kind of a hobby. Sometimes I'm here, sometimes I'm not. Matter of fact, I think lately, for whatever reason, I've been more active on Instagram, so by all means, follow me down there someplace. For those who don't know, it's Zuper96. Check it out. So I hear that Hulu is working on a Hellraiser remake. After seeing Event Horizon, do they need to?
I have such sights to show you.
Did you see it? Okay, yeah. Today's video is going to be a little more on the theme of a certain holiday that has many names. Many seem to think that some names are more superior than others just because they think it's correct. I don't really give one flying pile about it, but yeah, I figured why not do a Wreath video. And for those who don't know, I've actually had this wreath for a number of years now. For those who may or may not remember me from GA, Gothic Amino, this was the background for the Gothic Gentleman's Chat, which, yeah, guilty, I started. It used to be one of those old feather wreaths from Michael's with the... And I know a bit of a history on these. Maybe you saw one in Voltaire's Halloween shopping vlogs or whatever this year. Him and Mayumi ran into one of them at some point. That's how you say her name, right? But yeah, they just look plain this year, and they have for a while now. But when I found this one, there was some cheap, fake-looking bird on the inside of it, just on the lower half. So I yanked that out of there, hucked it, and just modified it from here. Now, the center, as you can see for yourself, is... maybe you can't see. The lighting in here is dog shit, but yeah. The center has a pentagram made of cedar twigs. I live in the woods, so these are a common occurrence around here. And I just took some jute twine to them, tied it to the center of the wreath, covered it with more of the feathers so that it just kind of looks like it's there, you know, suspended. The roses, on the other hand, well, they're fake, first of all, duh. But I found them... I believe at the Dollar Tree, and they're made of wire and plastic, so getting these on was a little more difficult than I would have expected. I kind of punctured the wreath instinctively, knowing while I was buying it that it might be styrofoam. It was a bit of a guess, though, since I didn't initially buy this. I just kind of saw it and thought, some schmuck's going to pick that up before I can. And then like a few weeks later, I was just like, you know what, I'll be that schmuck. I feel sudden creativity going on. Well, why the hell not, right? So I picked this up along with a few fake roses, one of which I painted black. It's up there somewhere. And not up here on the wreath, just up there on my shelf. You can't see it. And yeah, I stuck them up and out and covered them with black athletic tape. Hell, you can even see the jute twine where I've got the star tied and everything. That's kind of cool. And also covered by the tape is this piece of fishing line here that I guess you can see, which I utilize to hang it on a thumbtack, which that you can't see because it's off camera. But yeah, no, this is a simple DIY, a simple build for those of you getting into the holiday season. Yeah. Fun shit. Could you tell by now I'm having less fun making these? Whatever. If you made it to the end, tell me how you're doing in... No, not November. No, I'm kidding. I failed. For those who wondered, you probably don't. If you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. And I love you all.